Now we need to secure the vehicle to the trailer. We're going to use nylon straps in this case. They're easy, they're convenient. There's different ends you can get. You might have a flat hand, you might have a hook. We're going to use these because this will hook into the K-frame or the engine cradle easily. Now, on your vehicle, there may be a tow hook. It may be the frame. You may have to hook to part of the suspension. You just want to make sure it's a part that's sturdy. You're not going to bend when that's going down the road or when you're hooking it to the trailer. Always make sure you have the ratchet in towards the outside of the trailer so you can get to it. You want to take as much slack out of it as you can so you don't run out of room when you're ratcheting it. After attaching the straps in the front, make sure you attach a strap on the left front and the right front. We want to have one of these secure in the vehicle on each four corners. We're going to attach a strap a similar way in the back. This is the other style of hook on the end of the straps you can get, which is kind of convenient because you can hook it into itself. Some good points back here are around the rear axle. If it's a rear-wheel drive car, you might have a truck with a receiver hitch. Just want to make sure you're away from any brake lines or anything like that that could be hurt when you tighten up the straps or when the car is being hauled down the road.